Hello everyone and welcome back to Zacklit Educational channel. So in this video we will know about the last minute very important tips for the UGC NET June 2024 re-examination. Yes, this examination which is conducted again as it was cancelled in the month of June and many of you lost your hope, but this is the time now again to give a 100% effort for the final revision for your goal, that is the goal for NET or NET JRF. So without much delay, let's start this important video. So as we know, this is the second opportunity which is given by our fate in order to attempt our examination. Maybe the last attempt was not sufficient for the JRF or NET, whatever may be your goal. So this time you have to give your 200%, not 100%, 200% all your efforts you should give in order to reach the goal. For that, two important tips I will tell you in this video. First of all, the paper was cancelled in the month of June. So it is called as the cancelled paper. But now that is actually the master paper. Yes, it will turn out to be the master paper for the re-examination if you have downloaded your response sheet. Yes, if you have downloaded whatever response you have given in the attempted paper in the June 2024 cancelled paper, then that will be the master paper or Brahmastra for you. Why I am telling you is that because the UGC would have prepared new set of questions, but I am definitely having the surety that the questions from the June 2024 paper which was cancelled will be also coming in this new re-examination. Yes, even if it is not coming directly, some twisted form the question will be definitely coming from the same paper which was cancelled. So that is the master paper if you have downloaded, and you would have checked which questions you have done correctly, which questions you have done incorrectly. So you have to completely go through all 150 questions, that is 50 in paper 1, 100 in the paper 2 of your paper. So you have to analyze that paper, but now the time is very short. So what I will help you through this video is that for the environmental science subject paper, those candidates, I have already made a complete PDF of the paper 2. Yes, that's the surprise which I am telling you through this video. All the answers I have marked in a PDF, and that will be provided in our Telegram group, that is Learn for the Environment. So you have to check the PDF from the file section we will be uploading in our Telegram group, and you should go through all the questions along with the answers. Even if you haven't downloaded your paper, then this paper will be definitely helpful for you. If you want to go through the deeper inside the answers, you can check through the books or through the internet, but go through that thoroughly. I'm telling you repeatedly, questions will be coming from there, and even if it is also for the revision purpose, you can revise what are the topics you have left through that analysis of the cancelled paper. So it is the master paper. I am repeatedly telling you, you should go through that, and you can check the paper we will be providing you in the Telegram group. Next thing, coming to the revision. So last minute revision, how to do? You have to go through your notes, whatever notes you have prepared, just go through them. And the master thing is the mock test. So if you are having mock test series you have already taken from the Zacklit Telegram group or through the mail, then it is very good, you have attempted. We are providing 4 mock tests with 400 questions. If you don't know, if you haven't appeared this, you must appear, because last time this was very important for the people, those who have appeared for this examination. It was giving you the clear idea which areas to focus more. Even if you have forgot something, if you have left something, then these questions will be giving you an idea. Yes, these topics I have missed, I have to go through them. So all these 400 questions coming in the 4 mock test series will be having the expected questions, important previous year questions, passages, frequently asked question, current affairs, numerical, along with the Zacklit Telegram group regular quizzes which we are conducting those questions are also included in these 4 mock tests, which will give you a solid revision to crack your NET JRF goal. So it is all as per the NTA UGC NET pattern. All the units are covered, and you will also be getting your response sheet after submitting each of the mock tests. So 3 paper 2 mock test and 1 paper 1 mock test will be provided. So I will tell you once again how to avail this mock test. So to avail this mock test, you have to pay just rupees 199 for the 4 mock test series to the number 8895035690 through your Google Pay or Phone Pay account, or you can simply scan this QR code and you can pay through that. And after that, you have to send the screenshot of the payment to the Zacklit personal account in the Telegram, or you can send the screenshot to the mail ID ZAKIAHMED9@gmail.com. By receiving the screenshot of your payment, we will be providing you the links for the all 4 mock tests at once, and you can appear the mock test as per your convenience. Yes, before the examination of the UGC NET Environmental Science paper in the September, you are having the paper. So before that, you have to attempt everything. Otherwise, after that, it will not be accepting the responses. So this will be providing you the solid revision before the examination. If you are not having that much revision, not that much preparation, this will help you to do better in the examination. So these 2 things are important, and the most important thing is to believe in yourself. Believe that whatever you have prepared, however you have prepared, those questions will be only coming in the examination. So stay motivated, do believe in yourself, because believing in yourself will make you successful. So see you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.